this video, we'll demonstrate how to perform a file and folder recovery via our cold file access technology, where no mount operation is required. This technology is available with all backup job types without any additional configuration. Hover and click on Recovery. Select File Recovery. Select the machine you wish to restore. Select the recovery point you wish to restore. Select the volume containing the files you wish to restore. Navigate through the folder structure and search the folder containing the files desired. Note that we keep all selections for restore, regardless if it is within different subfolders. When you have finished selecting items to restore, click Next. Review the summary page, and when ready, click Download. The files will be downloaded directly to your machine in the form of a zip file with the folder structure preserved. For more information on the StorageCraft solution, visit the StorageCraft support community for how-to videos, user guides, and knowledge base articles.